Today we are not selling soap, but two soap makers. My name is Alex Price, and I am the educated of the two. I work in an industry. The reason why I work in an industry, unlike William, is because I got a degree from an accredited school. Now, first of all, I'll be giving you a demonstration today so that you'll be more inclined to buy me as a soap maker, unlike William over here. But in the meantime, while I'm making soap over here, William is going to be describing his job some. So Will, introduce yourself.
My name is William Schubert, and I make soap out of the house because it's cheap and it's easy, and I get to wear my pajamas. The education you need to make soap out of your house is a very nice chemistry class from a certain school that teaches chemistry. My school that I went to chemistry was Springwoods High School. My teacher was Miss Fun. She taught me everything I need to know. And so, what I have to do is I have to make the soap, I have to mix some oils, I have to put in some lye, and then the lye is what makes the soap really. It is called sodium hydroxide for the chemical name, and the equation, the formula would be NaOH. And so what you do is you put the lye in the water, and you kind of mix it, and you stir in some oils, and then you gotta heat it up, and you gotta let it cool down, and then you gotta let it sit for about 12 hours, and then you gotta add in some more oils, and then you gotta heat it up again, and you let it sit for about 4 to 6 weeks.
So it really sounds like you know what you're doing.
You got soap.
Will,
yes,
over here in your bedroom where you got educated from a high school, I see.
Yes.
So I bet you're making a lot of money, huh?
Yes.
What about that? How much are you making?
I make $15 a bar of soap.
A bar?
Yes.
Wow, that
$15.
does not compete with my salary. I make personally $60,000 a year. Yeah.
I average about $70,000 a year. Sell a lot of soap daily, man. It's crazy out in the real world how much people need soap.
I of course work in better conditions. Work in better conditions. Work in better conditions than you. See, I work in an office where I design different soaps. I run the industry for this company. You might have heard of them, Dove. Yeah, they're a big company. I work for them. You though, I bet you your setting of your job's a little harsh, huh?
Not really, it's just fairly simple. See, I just got my house. It's a very nice house, very clean. I make sure it's clean so the soap stays clean, so it's not contaminated with any harsh bacteria or chemicals like, say, swine flu or something. That was very
And
rude.
so, like we were saying, obviously I'm more educated. I had a better degree, and like we can see from the demonstration I just gave, education pays off. This is real soap. You could wash your hands with this right here, and that's about how it's done. A little about me, by the way, is like I said, I got my degree. I don't think he touched on it enough, so I'm going to talk about the chemistry behind soap. You see, there's a chemical reaction, of course, that goes on with soap, so we need this chemistry. And without the chemistry, we would not have this soap that I made right here with those bubbles. And so, furthering on, I needed my bachelor's degree. This kid didn't. He claims to make $70,000 a year, but I'm sure he doesn't even file that on his taxes, so as you can clearly see, I'm the better candidate. You might as well buy me. I'll make you lots of soap.